column average. The bigger number, the higher volatility in the market price in that symbol. The smaller number, the lower volatility in the market price in that symbol. This level is obtained more or less from comparison of number of each other. Information of this column is extracted of ATR indicator, which is called average. The number unit is displayed by pip. Now let's see how we can use this number. First, pair of exchange selection. It means we separate a pair of exchange from each other according to their volatility, according to type of strategy, capital management, and our mental state. We can work on high volatility and low volatility pair of exchange. You can easily and totally consider this in like trader. As a result, you are able to group these well. Number 2, profit and loss limit. And you always try to compare profit and loss limit obtained from any technical method with the number of this column. It is impossible. A pair of exchange have a pip moving of its own average daily, and after this move, the intended exchange will usually move with less volatility in the following days. Size. It shows the size of a candle in a specified time frame. If the size of candle equals or is bigger than average number, it will be displayed in green color. Body. It shows the body of candle in terms of pip and percentage. Blue color indicates body candle is going up, and red one indicates body candle is going down. Upper shadow. It shows shadow above a candle in terms of pip and percentage. Lower shadow. It shows shadow blue candle in terms of pip and percentage. Shooting and hammer indicates the market will probably have a descending move, as risk mood is more important. Peak and valley indicates the market will probably have a descending move, as risk mood is more important. If you are a beginner or you have a small capital, it should be better to use asterisk mode. In order to identify valid candles and block invalid candles, like trader does complication calculation. The result of this calculation are in a short period of time, and without difficulty you can identify all symbols which will probably be changed in the market, and you can move ahead of the market. Engulfing and long bar are continuing candles. It is expected the market continues its previous move. Take this note into consideration that continuing previous move doesn't mean that we are expected to have a strong move in the market. Normal candle. This column identifies the candles which apparently are suitable in the chart. In fact, by seeing these candles, you need to be more vigilant, because these candles may create a template in the next time frame. Momentum. Like trader in this column, examine the type of constituent structure of candlestick according to complicated calculation. If the constituent structure is descending, it is going by downward red arrow. if the constituent structure is ascending, it is shown by upward blue arrow. The most important point that should be noticed here is that you shouldn't deal again this column. In other words, when you decide to buy, the intended symbol in this column shouldn't be in a descending direction and vice versa. Selecting this button, you will have easier access to transaction platform of a live trader. However, transaction facilities of this part in comparison to trader order are least.